Good morning, friends. Myself, Jatin Dave from Shapura English School. Welcome all of you once again. Now, today we are going to learn in science, chapter number 2, acid, base and salt. You know that very well. We are understanding the chemical properties of acid and base, our topic number 2.1. The subtopic today we are discussing is 2.1.3, metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate react with acids. Our topic is a metal carbonate and metal hydrocarbonate react with acid. Okay, so understand the topic. Let's perform activity number 2.5. Activity number 2.5. So please open your textbook and turn the page number 20 and read carefully with me and understand the entire activity. So let's perform to activity number 2.5. Take two test tubes. Take two test tubes. Label them as A and B. Label them as A, and second test tube is called test tube number B. Okay? Take about 0.5 gram of sodium carbonate. Take about 0.5 gram of sodium carbonate. The chemical formula of sodium carbonate is Na2CO3. In the test tube number A, and about 0.5 gram of sodium hydrogen carbonate NaHCO3 in test tube B. NaHCO3 in test tube B. Here we use calcium hydroxide, or in test tube number B we get NaHCO3. Okay? Look here. So step number 1, take two test tubes, label them as A and B. Take about 0.5 gram of sodium carbonate in the test tube A and about 0.5 gram of sodium hydrogen carbonate, means NaHCO3, in test tube B. Add about 2 ml of HCl to both the test tube. अब इस दोनों टेस्ट ट्यूब के अंदर हम ऐड करने जा रहे हैं 2 ml HCl added with it. What do you observe? What do you observe? Pass the gas produced in each case through a lime water, means calcium hydroxide solution. Here, calcium hydroxide solution is called a lime water, as shown in the figure 2.2, and record your observation. Okay, students. Now let's understand the whole procedure. First of all, let's see the figure on the board. Let's see the figure on the board. Here is the stand, and with the clamping, we clamp one test tube with the stand. This test tube is called test tube number A. This test tube tied up by two holes, having a two holes cord. Two holes cord. This is called a thistle funnel. This is called the thistle funnel. And in the second hole, passing through the delivery tube with the second another end, is in the test tube B. Test tube B contains NaHCO3, means sodium hydrogen carbonate, plus 2 ml HCl. Here 2 ml HCl with Na2CO3 in test tube number 1. Okay, friend. Now, you may proceed a simple process, and then after, what do you observe here? So we observe that from the second test tube, we contain a calcium hydroxide in the second test tube, and then after complete the procedure, first observation, which is carbon dioxide is evolved when sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate are treated with HCl. That means अगर जो हम सोडियम कार्बोनेट Na2CO3 या फिर NaHCO3 मीन्स सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट और सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट इसको HCl एसिड के साथ अगर जो इसका रिएक्शन लिया जाता है तो इसका फर्स्ट रिएक्शन जो मिलता है वो रिएक्शन है यहाँ पर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस होता है विच इन्वॉल्व द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। फिगर के अंदर हमने यहाँ पर दिखाया है हमारा जो फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट है फर्स्ट गैस with use test tube A contain Na2CO3 and test tube B contain CaOH twice in a with an aqueous solution. Here carbon dioxide is produced if we contain in a test tube A instead of sodium carbonate NaHCO3 means sodium bicarbonate, and same reactions is occurred. That means carbon dioxide is produced or evolved. Here show this procedure, a metal carbonate or a metal hydrogen carbonate react with acid and they give salt plus carbon dioxide gas plus water. So general equation of this process, we write down that first one, metal carbonate plus acid, metal carbonate plus acid gives salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Or other hand, metal hydrogen carbonate react with acid and give salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Here the example of the chemical reaction. First one, we take metal carbonate as a sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Therefore, Na2CO3 combined with HCl, Na2CO3 combined with HCl gives us sodium chloride as a salt plus H2O plus carbon dioxide gas. Balance equations is represented in this form, Na2CO3 in a solid form plus 2HCl as a aqueous solution. We gives 2 NaCl from aqueous solution plus H2O in a liquid form and carbon dioxide from a gaseous form. If we take a metal hydrogen carbonate, for example NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. So if we get a metal hydrogen carbonate react with HCl and we get NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. So same product is available, both the reactants metal carbonate, otherwise the metal hydrogen carbonate. HCl combined with the sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, we gives the same product NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 produce. Here one of the solution, calcium hydroxide, we can use in this process. The common name of the calcium hydroxide is the lime water. So please remember this for your objective questions. Common name of calcium hydroxide is called the lime water, and calcium hydrogen carbonate or calcium bicarbonate, the formula of the calcium bicarbonate or hydrogen carbonate is CaHCO3 twice. CaHCO3 twice is a highly soluble in water. So these are the questions arise during the activity 2.5. And our aim is the reaction of the metal carbonate and hydrogen carbonate with the acid. We get the product, same product, NaCl plus carbon dioxide gas plus H2O. Now for the study from the textbook. Once again, please let's read. The reaction occurring in the above activity means activity 2.5. Test tube 1, we get Na2CO3 solid plus 2HCl aqueous and get 2 NaCl aqueous plus H2O liquid plus CO2. This is representation in the chemical balance equation here. Test tube B, NaCO3 solid plus HCl aqueous, and we gives NaCl aqueous plus H2O plus carbon dioxide. On passing the carbon dioxide, gas evolved through the lime water. Lime water, that means common name of the calcium hydroxide is the lime water. So chemical formula of lime water is CaOH twice. If CaOH twice, aqueous solution of lime water combined with carbon dioxide gas, and they gives us calcium carbonate plus H2O. Calcium carbonate is present in the white precipitous. On passing excess amount of the carbon dioxide, the following reaction take place: CaCO3 plus H2O plus carbon dioxide and get CaHCO3 twice, and we get calcium hydrogen carbonate or calcium bicarbonate as an aqueous solution. This compound is soluble in water, not soluble in water. Actually, a calcium hydrogen carbonate is highly soluble in water. So limestone, chalk, marble are the different forms of the calcium carbonate, CaCO3. All metals, carbonate and hydrogen carbonate react with acid to give a corresponding salt and carbon dioxide and water. Thus the reaction can be summarized as, once again, metal carbonate plus acid gives salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So I hope you understand very well activity number 2.5, and also today's our teaching point: metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate react with acid. So now tomorrow will be the next video to next chemical reactions of how do acid and base react with each other. How do acid and base react with each other, and reaction of metallic oxide with acids. So tomorrow will be discuss two chemical properties of the acid and bases. So once again I request to you, please revise entire articles or entire topic and to note down carefully and go with us to further study. Thank you and bye.